بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello everyone and welcome to this video demo. Today, I'm excited to show you an amazing Google Apps script that automates saving images from URLs directly to Google Drive, organized by product categories. Here we have our Google Sheet. As you can see, we have three important columns: Image URL, Category, and G Drive Image URL. We'll be filling in the Image URL and Category columns with some dummy data. Now, let's run our script. Click on IT Files in the menu bar and select Save Images to Google Drive. The script fetches each image, creates category-specific folders in Google Drive, and saves the images there. In Google Drive, you can see folders named based on the product categories. Inside each folder are the corresponding images. Back in our Google Sheet, the G Drive Image URL column is populated with the downloadable URLs of the images stored in Google Drive. With just a few clicks, our script automates saving images from URLs to Google Drive, categorized and organized efficiently. Thank you for watching.